Hello YouTube, welcome to another quick video where I'm going to demonstrate how to enable wireless Apple CarPlay on any car which is factory fitted with the CarPlay unit. So I have this Volkswagen Vento, the 2020 model. So it comes factory fitted with RCD340 G+. So that is the music system that I'm having right there. And also I'm going to show like how to enable even wireless charger, so which is kind of simple, and also wireless Apple CarPlay with this particular CPlay2Air adapter. So this is the TRU-VIC wireless car mobile charging pad. So it costs 2K from Amazon, 2K Indian rupees. And this is what I'm having. But due to the size of the cup holder present, so I had to cut it. Cut the top and bottom so that it fits perfectly over there. And like if you have a larger mobile, so this works perfectly fine if you have something like the iPhone 10 or the 11 Pro or 12 Pro. So anything like Max mobiles or OnePlus or something which is a bigger size mobile, so they don't fit in. So you need to think about placing it a little bit higher up. So this is the wireless CarPlay adapter that I'm having. So it's called CPlay2Air. There is another thing called Carlin Kit. So there are two things available on the market right now. So this costs around 7,000 Indian rupees or $100. So you can just connect it to any car which has a factory built Apple CarPlay unit, a wired unit. So you can make it wireless. And this is the wireless charger right there I have installed, and it fits in perfectly for my phone, and it gets to charge there. And just when you turn on the infotainment system, it gets connected, so there is no lag or there is no delay, just like the wired unit it is. So this is the CPlay2Air unit that I'm having, and neatly tucked it with this magnetic holder. So I'll leave a link below in the description for this also. So this is also quite cool, and it also lasts longer. So I have kept this for quite long, and even in hot sun days. So as you can see here, my mobile, it gets charged over there with wirelessly, and also connects to Apple CarPlay wirelessly. So which is a good thing. So I don't need to carry around any cable or something like that. So even playing songs or map, so I have not faced any delay. So it's kind of smooth, just like the wired unit. So let me show it to you in action. So once I turn on the ignition, it gets connected immediately. So as you can see here, the maps and the menu, everything has been loaded up, and it's again, it's quite responsive. And let me show it to you how to connect a new phone. So I already connected my phone. So let me try to connect this phone here. So let me unlock it first. Sorry for that. And yeah, like once it's unlocked, so you need to go to the settings and then tap on Bluetooth. So once you're in Bluetooth, so it will show up the Bluetooth thing. So this is the one responsible. And once you get this prompt, you have to click on OK, and it will start connecting to Apple CarPlay. So as you can see, the screen went off and it got connected to the new mobile. So it's as simple as that to connect a newer device. So it doesn't take much steps. It's kind of simple. So there is no need of any other external software or something. So it just works. And like if you want to connect to a different phone, so for example, if you have two phones connected, you can select in this particular menu, and you can select the phone that you want to connect at the moment, and it starts connecting seamlessly. So again, there is no issues even with connecting multiple devices also, and everything works completely fine. So that's all I had here for this wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless charging, even on cars which doesn't have it. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, and as always, peace.